Hey friends, so today we are going to be doing a Sunday reset. My kids are out of the house with dad. I want to go ahead and get some stuff done. So we had a snow week basically all last week, and we really need to reset the house. So I wrote down a little Sunday reset, what I need to do. And we've already accomplished some of the things. So I've got wash our bedding, which I just put in the washer. I've got go get groceries and a meal plan for the week, which that's backwards, but we'll do that. Reset the playroom, clean out my fridge, take things to the thrift shop, which we've done this morning. It's about 1 o'clock now, well, 12:15. But we did that earlier this morning. And then I want to vacuum and mop the main part of the house. During the week when the kids are all at school, I'll go in and clean their rooms, but I want to also be able to relax while they're gone hunting. We're just gonna do a few things to reset the house and just kind of get us back to baseline. So I'm gonna mark off, take things to the thrift shop. So I'm going to go clean out the fridge after I wipe down the counter in the kitchen. And just, I know we got a lot of leftovers in there that we didn't end up finishing, and just some stuff that just, it needs to go. We didn't use it, unfortunately, which I hate wasting food, but you know, I'm not gonna eat rotten fruits and vegetables. So I'm gonna clean out the fridge, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna make for this week and meal plan, and then we are going to schedule a grocery pickup because there was none today. So I'm gonna schedule it for tomorrow, but we'll pick it up first thing in the morning. But still, I mean, that's so easy. As long as we get it scheduled and like ready to pick up, then we're good. So I am going to do that, and then we'll work on the rest of the house. And it's not that much to do. I did keep up a little bit with the cleaning. Yesterday I kind of got most of the clutter put away, but let's just reset the house and get ready for a good week. So my favorite way to clean the fridge, like the inside, is I just use hot water and some Castile soap. This stuff is amazing and it's pretty safe for you, so I feel okay with like wiping down the surfaces of the fridge shelves. So yeah, I love this stuff. I have the rose scented one. It's just so easy to just put a cap full of the soap into a sink full of water and wipe down your fridge. So let's clean out this fridge. Okay, so I just wrote down our menu for the week, and this is just dinners. Like lunches, we're pretty easy. I just kind of do like the same thing with sandwiches and leftovers for myself. So like lunch and breakfast stuff is kind of like repurchased from week to week. It doesn't change much, as long, like same with like school snacks and everything. So this week I've got planned Greek lemon pepper chicken with a Greek salad and couscous. This is the most delicious meal. I will leave the recipe where I got it from down below. We've made it we've made it twice, and our next door neighbors made it one time and brought it over, and we're like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. I've got to make that. So got that on the menu. I'm gonna make an Italian penicillin soup. It's just like the pastina, or pastini, I don't know exactly what the term is, but just a really good, like almost like a chicken noodle soup, minus the chicken. I think my kids will like it, and I don't know, sometimes I just need like an easy meal, because let's just be real, life's crazy. I've got breakfast for dinner, which I've got sausage in the freezer I need to use, so I'll make sausage gravy, biscuits, have scrambled eggs, really easy. The kids always like that. I've got a leftover night. It just helps break up the cooking. Like, I don't love to be in the kitchen for hours, especially with picky eaters, you know, like if I'm gonna make something, it's usually like an ordeal, and then the kids don't ever even like it or eat it. So anyways, that's just kind of annoying. So I like to have a leftover day, maybe 2 sometimes. I've also got white chicken chili, and that is one of my favorite meals. Oh my gosh, I love white chicken chili. And then I've also got a day of this penne pasta that my mom makes. It's like this amazing mild or like medium Italian sausage with like diced tomatoes, heavy cream. It's really hearty, but it's so good, and everyone loves that meal. So we're gonna make that. So I'm just gonna get on Walmart.com, and this is not sponsored. I just have literally used Walmart for like literally since 2018 when pickup became a thing. Like, I've been doing Walmart pickup. So I'm gonna do that. And I usually will like end up having to go to Aldi or Sam's Club or Publix sometimes for other things. If I can just get the majority of our groceries from Walmart and make that a pickup, it saves me so much time and energy, and I really hate going into the grocery store. So I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, I tried to get on last night and at least reserve a spot, but there was nothing. But I guess that just had something to do with the crazy winter storm we had. So we are gonna do that. Then we're gonna finish cleaning up the house. So let's order some groceries. So one of the local stores to my parents was selling these magnolia garlands for Christmas time. I don't want to get it out because it's kind of hard to get back in the bag, but they were selling magnolia leaf garlands, and they always go half off after Christmas. So I was like, can you pick me up 2 and I'll Venmo you? So I got 2 really thick, really pretty magnolia leaf garlands. And I think they'd even be great in the fall. You could probably use them like right now, January, February. But I just kind of want to have like a clean slate for everything. So I'm gonna put these in my decor stuff in the garage. But I am super excited about these, and I have some really good ideas for Christmas next year and fall. And I'm really excited. Obviously, we're nowhere near there, but I was really happy to get basically 2 for the price of 1, and you can't beat that. So now you're gonna see my deep dark secret is whenever I'm putting stuff away, I just kind of put it on the dining room table. But I kind of just like corral everything there that belongs in all other places of the house. That way I'm not like running back and forth, just wasting a bunch of my time. That way I can get like the majority of the house picked up and clean, and then I can worry about like putting just the random things away. So I'm gonna pick up the living room. Okay, so I'm gonna just finish mopping the last bit of our main space and I'm gonna call it quits. I want to work on the playroom, but I went in there and I'm like, that's way more of a task than I want to take on today. So we are going to leave it as is. I think once we put everything back, it's going to be just enough for a Sunday reset and we are ready to take on the week. Tomorrow I'll go get my groceries and we will be able to relax again. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration and maybe you tackled some of your to-do list with me as well. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. See you guys soon. Bye.